Welcome to the Masterclass on AutoGenesis. Today, we're showing you how to keep your machine running forever. Making your car last isn't about major repairs. It's about the simple, consistent checks you do every week. A car is an investment. Treat it right, and it won't just take you places. It will stay with you for a lifetime. Let's start with the lifeblood of your machine, the fluids. If these levels drop, your engine's life starts to shorten. Check your oil level every 2 weeks. It should be clean and sit perfectly between the two markers on the stick. Next is the coolant. Never open the cap while the engine is hot, but always ensure the fluid is at the correct level. Check your battery terminals. Any white, crusty buildup can lead to a dead car on a cold morning. Keep them clean. A clogged air filter starves your engine of oxygen. Inspect it regularly to ensure your car breathes easily. Now, let's focus on the only part of your car that actually touches the road: your tires. Correct tire pressure isn't just about safety, it's about fuel efficiency. Check yours at least once a month. Tire tread is your safety. If it's worn down, you lose grip and braking power. Never let it get below the safety mark. Don't forget to look underneath. Any signs of leaking fluid or rust should be addressed before they become expensive problems. Inspect your drive belts for cracks or fraying. A snapped belt can leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere. Keep your vision clear. Always ensure your washer fluid is full and your wiper blades are soft and effective. A little bit of silicone spray on these rubber seals will prevent them from cracking and keep your cabin quiet. The interior matters too. UV rays can damage your dash. Use a protector and keep the cabin clean to maintain the car's value. Listen for any squeaking or grinding when you brake. Your brake pads are your first line of defense in an emergency. Check all your lights. A burnt-out bulb is not just a safety hazard, it's also an easy way to get a ticket. Stick to the service schedule. Changing your oil and filters on time is the single best thing you can do for your engine. Take care of your car, and it will take care of you. Join us next time on the Masterclass for more pro tips. Maintaining the exterior is just as important. A good wax coating protects the paint from rust and environmental damage. Keep your radiator clear of debris. Insects and dirt can block airflow, causing your engine to run hotter than it should. Check your lines. Any damp spots could indicate a leak. Detecting a fuel or brake leak early can save your life. Don't ignore your spark plugs. If they are fouled or worn, your engine has to work harder, burning more fuel. Pay attention to your gauges. A slight rise in temperature or a drop in oil pressure is an early warning sign. A loose belt can cause charging issues or steering failure. A quick tug is all it takes to ensure everything is tight. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. Changing it every 2 years ensures your brakes always respond when you need them. Air it out. Occasionally opening everything up allows you to inspect seals and hinges that are usually hidden from view. The color of your exhaust tells a story. Blue smoke means oil, white means coolant, and black means too much fuel. Transmission fluid is often overlooked. Keeping it fresh ensures smooth shifts and a long life for your gearbox. Always be prepared. Check your spare tire's pressure too. It's no use to you if it's flat when you actually need it. If your wipers are streaking, they are done. Replacing them is a 2-minute job that makes a massive difference in a storm. Regular tire rotations every 5,000 miles will help your tires wear evenly, saving you hundreds of dollars in the long run. Your car has a cabin filter too. It keeps the air you breathe inside the car clean and prevents odors from building up. Treating your car well starts with the little things. Avoid aggressive driving and let the engine warm up slightly on cold mornings. Always use the specific oil grade recommended by the manufacturer. Using the wrong oil can decrease your engine's efficiency. Maintenance is a journey, not a destination. Consistency is what keeps a car on the road for decades. If your steering feels heavy or makes noise, Check the power steering fluid. It's an easy fix that prevents a costly pump failure. Ensure your cooling fans are working. Overheating is the #1 killer of modern high-performance engines. Properly aimed headlights ensure you see the road and don't blind other drivers. It's a simple adjustment often forgotten. Electronics need care too. Keep your sensors and cameras clean so your car's safety systems can work perfectly. Remember, a well-maintained car is safer, more efficient, and holds its value far better than one that's neglected. Applying these simple checks will ensure your car lasts as long as you want it to. Knowledge is power. Thanks for watching AutoGenesis, the Masterclass. Stay safe and keep driving.